In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Nano Banana for interior design. We'll use Google Gemini's image creation tool to quickly visualize how the Nano Banana concept could look inside your actual space. This is perfect when you want fast, photoreal ideas before you buy or rearrange anything. Start by heading to Google Gemini in your browser. Once you're in, look for the Tools section. This is where all the creative utilities live, and it's where we'll find the feature that turns your ideas into visuals. Click Tools, then choose Create Image. That opens a canvas where you can combine your photos with a written prompt to guide the design. Next, click the plus icon. We're going to upload your first image, the photo of the room you want to redesign. Choose a clear, well-lit shot that shows as much of the space as possible. If you can, use a straight-on angle and avoid extreme wide lenses so proportions stay realistic. Good input images always lead to better results. Click the plus icon again and upload your second image. For this, use a Nano Banana reference. This could be a product photo, a mood image that captures the colorway, or a texture or pattern you want featured. High-resolution images with simple backgrounds make it easier for the tool to understand what to emphasize. Now click into the prompt area. This is where you explain what you want Gemini to create. Be specific and reference both images. For example, you might write, redesign the uploaded living room photo using the Nano Banana aesthetic from the reference image as the primary theme. Keep the existing layout and major furniture, add accent pieces, textiles, and wall art inspired by Nano Banana tones and patterns. Prioritize natural light, cohesive color balance, and a clean modern finish. You can include style cues like mid-century modern or minimal Scandinavian, mention materials such as rattan or light oak, and guide color accents, soft yellows, leafy greens, or playful banana-inspired motifs, so the result feels intentional rather than busy. When your prompt looks good, click Submit. Gemini will process your inputs and generate variations that blend your room photo with the Nano Banana direction. Give it a moment. Once the results appear, assess composition, lighting, and how well the theme integrates without overpowering the space. If something feels off, maybe the palette is too bold or the pattern is too dense, tweak your prompt with clearer constraints like subtle accents only, matte finishes, or keep wall color unchanged, and submit again for refinements. That's it. Using your room photo, a Nano Banana reference, and a well-written prompt, you can quickly visualize polished interiors and make confident design decisions.